Yo guys, Tuesday morning about 11:40. I know in my thumbnail it's written 11:30. Sorry for that, I'm just a bit late. We are looking to Bitcoin. It's gonna take a bit more time because I want to look deeply into the Ichimoku cloud and analyze this, and I want to show you something very interesting. However, I waited yesterday, no videos, because I was waiting to see what the Fed was going to talk about with the US, with the stablecoin. As you know, they don't like it. All these stablecoins are backed by a private company like USDT, which is based in Hong Kong, and the bank account in Panama. We have no way to know if they really backed our money. Every dollar you give, they supposedly in USDT going into a bank, $1 for $1, one USDT for $1, but it's not true. We already know it. There is something dodgy going on. They print like crazy, and suddenly the last 3 weeks you can see they are not printing anymore. I think last 2 weeks, which is we can understand that something's going on with them. Probably there is no volume also. People are in holidays and not much going on, as you will see with me right away. Since yesterday, but we go even more bearish. We lose confidence into the crypto, and that's also because of the Feds and other reasons. I'm going to go to the BTC CME future. The CME future is very interesting to look at, and you do have to look into it before you do anything with Bitcoin. So you should look at it every morning, guys. We can see that we didn't break yet our price support at 28,535 USD. But we are very close to it, and if you look at the Kijun monthly, we are not playing with it anymore. We clearly moved out of it. So if we were, let's say, if we were on the monthly, I'm gonna look on the monthly also. You see, we are not with it anymore. So if we were going to be August tomorrow, 1st of August tomorrow, we close this candle, then we can clearly see downtrend going on because we close under the Kijun monthly. So we are going away and more away. So that will be a totally bearish trend. So we are not done yet apparently with the bearish trend, as we can see so far. We got some support, but I can come back about it later. Let's go for the BTC USDT at /USDT, soon USDC, guys, at least to save our I don't think we're gonna save anything. Anyway, we already play with our resistance of 30,000. Yes, this resistance, we are on it now. We'll see how we close the week, but this is a weekly time frame. We can see something very important. That's why I wanted you to stay around. Like and subscribe, by the way. We can use this head and shoulder instrument, and we can trace it here. So let me trace the head and shoulder that we can see. And when we see this, it's very bad because it kind of let us know that something's going on with, but usually following a head and shoulder, we can have a very big bearish trend. And so that's not good news for us. It's good news. I don't really care for myself because I'm shorting anyway, shorting and longer on everything all the day. So doesn't matter, and you guys should be the same. Anyway, no feelings, no hard feeling on trading. If you have feelings, leave trading. It's not made for you. It's nothing about feeling. So we got this head and shoulder, and this what looks like a sword of Damocles. So Google it, sword of Damocles trading. This is bad. I'm not gonna go much more in details about this one, but this is bad. And here you can see I traced my Fibonacci from March, because that's when we got the COVID all issues and everything started to go bad. And you can see that we break this week. We break down our golden price here. We down it, and so we're going towards. Usually, you always go toward the 618. So we are not yet into it, but if we go to the 618, we definitely break our price resistance of 28,800. That's why my short position will be starting from here, about 27,600. I have to check again, but yeah, about 27,600. I'm shorting, and I will not short. I could short up to here, 22,800, but I short 23k, just in case. But yeah, here, because you see there is some flat here, and when it's flat on the cloud, it's more hard to get in. However, if everything was going north and better, we will close next week above our support line here, and that's on that case we go up to this area, and if we go above the 43k, then we have a new bull run. So I would take a long position, and but my long position anyway this week I think is above our 50 FAB, so it's gonna be about 35k. And if it goes there, if it start to go 35k, boom, I'm long on it. It's automatic. I'm doing what we call trailing stop, so it's gonna keep pushing up to maximum profits unless it goes down again by maybe 12%. But then I will go up to the 41k, make some cash. You don't have to do what I'm doing, so forget about what I just said about what I'm doing, because you need to do your own due diligence. We are not giving financial advice here. We are looking into the Ichimoku more deeply and use some other tools to get some knowledge of some insights of what's going to happen in the future. That is what it is with trading. Everyone has his own strategy. You got your risk reward is different than mine. Your everything will be different. We just test it. Me, it's based on 100 trade. I'm using a specific strategy, but my strategy might not work for you guys. Also, it depends what you're playing, what you're betting it. Between BTC, Ethereum, there is some differences, etc., etc. So that's it. Let's go on the daily. What do we see on the daily for today? Far away from our 10 can daily, this blue line. Even more far from the Kijun, so that's over for this. We got a resistance traced here, which we are up under as well, so it's going to give us even more resistance to go above. Now we got another resistance tracing here, so we are getting close to it within 1, 2, 3 days. We are also in another area of resistance, so we are really stuck into all of this. We have our lagging span here that's under our price resistance of 30k, so now we have to see if it's going to play around or not. Going back to it above, we will see if it plays. Let me go again for the lagging span on the weekly time frame. We want to see same things happen. You see we are above 4 hours. Let's go for the 4 hours, and there is another things I want to show you after, very important, another indicator of a bearish trend. You see on the 4 hours we are going to play with it. You see, not clearly because you could have already here, but no, we are going to play around it. So I think for 4 EM that will be 1, 2. So about tonight 8 PM we will see if we are going to go above or not. I don't expect much to happen, but who knows. What I want to show you is grayscale. All right, the grayscale here. What is grayscale, guys? It's a trust. What is a trust? It's people all together with a lot of money, and they bet short or long. So we can see there is nothing, no volume, nothing going on daily, nothing. So they are not decided to go all in bullish or not. They don't do shit. It's not going anywhere. Let's look at our market analysis on the BTC open interest. We can see for tomorrow we got a bit more open call interest to push the price maybe around 31k, but max pain price, yeah, it's at 30, so we are flying around here. And you see no one decided at all for the 29. If it goes down, it already goes down 28 straight up, so we'll see about this. It's interesting. I'm not gonna look at how many people made a Bitcoin wallet today, but you can also look at that. And I want to show you, it should be already draw. Yes, yeah. So let's go on a weekly, no, on a daily time frame. Look at the RSI. Our RSI here. This trend line been broke. So we broke it a while and it's still going down. So we are really on a very bearish trend. It means very oversold. Of course, when it's oversold, it usually brings back a bullish trend and overbought. But when we have a divergence, we do have a divergence, but doesn't mean because of this, oh, for sure it's going to go bullish. No, it's just one indicator that also confirm me for myself. It confirmed it's confirming me that we are bearish. So I don't expect us to go back on a bullish trend today. To me, it's not happening until we touch one of the bottoms. So is it going to be this one here, and then we go on a bullish trend? That could be, because then you see here we got a very small cloud. Why not? Why not? Something could happen. So watch out, guys. I see you for another video, maybe about Ethereum. It depends. Here it's very hot where I live, so I might stay away from the computer for a while after I finish my work. But like and subscribe, ask any question you want. Don't forget, I've got a channel on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. The Telegram is one of my favorite, because you can get all the news about crypto from 20 different sources of websites that I'm usually look at every day. But now I can have everything in one page, so use it. It's free. Why not using it? You got all the news straight away. There is no lag, nothing. So it's cool. And I've got also another channel for the RSI 14, which allows us to have all the overbought and oversold indication straight up. We get signals on I think like 10 different coins. I will put more, but more I put, more I have to increase the VPS strength. Otherwise it's lagging, and I've got an API call. It's a bit complicated. Anyway, I've got the Twitter and etc. So yeah, follow everything you want. I got a Discord as well. So guys, don't hesitate to ask questions. I'll see you later, and have a nice day.